FTAX Cashbook is a simple, low-cost way to prepare and carry out MTD submissions, including MTD VAT submissions. Income and expense data entered into the Cashbook form is synchronized with data in other copies of the same form. This enables tax agents to monitor data being entered by their small business clients. The following aspects of the FTAX Cashbook will be briefly described in this overview: setting up, entering incomes and expenses, synchronizing form data or syncing, VAT calculations and submissions, data backups, and accessing archived data. Videos providing further details on each aspect will be available soon. If an agent is completing the Cashbook on behalf of their client, a client copy need not be generated. If both agent and client wish to contribute, however, agents need to set up both an agent copy and a client copy for each client. They can select a tax filer via their UTR and allocate a credit. If data had been entered in previous editions of the FTAX Cashbook, this data may be imported. The client copy will generate a Cashbook password to enable the agent to securely transfer the Cashbook form to the client. Further information on this can be found in the video Setting up Cashbook for your client. Before incomes and expenses may be entered, the business details must be entered. Use the two red buttons on the right or the bookmarks on the left to navigate to the incomes and expenses pages. Each entry is defined using the type and category drop-down options. View the further details pop-ups to help correctly select each. Frequently used customers and suppliers can be set up to speed up income and expense entries using default value settings. Recurring income and expenses can also be set up to automatically enter regular entries, such as monthly subscription fees. The Sync button at the bottom of the opening page is used to either save changes made to this copy of the form to the FTAX account, or to import changes made to other copies of the form from the FTAX account. The form will also advise when to sync, when a Save button is clicked, and when the front page is opened. VAT options are set up on the Business page. Businesses may be set to calculate their liability using either the standard or flat rate scheme. Further schemes may be added in the future. Businesses may also be set up for either standard or cash basis accounting. Quarterly or monthly calculations and submissions are carried out on the VAT page, while a summary is displayed on the opening page. FTAX Cashbook data is automatically backed up and stored within the FTAX Cashbook form itself. This enables agents to back up client data by regularly storing copies of the FTAX Cashbook form on their own computer. Data may be recovered by clicking the question mark in the red ball and selecting Backup mode. Only incomes and expenses data, which is dated within this or the previous tax year, will be displayed in the FTAX Cashbook. Older data is stored in an archive file. This may be viewed by clicking the question mark in the red ball and putting the form into archive mode. Videos will soon be available to provide further details on each Cashbook topic.